Welcome. English language to Russian language. English to Russian language talking and discussing today our topic. My friends, in today's videos I will discuss how an English person introduces himself in Russian. Russian man and Englishman discuss himself Russian to English, English to Russian. So we will start today's videos. English. Hi. Russian. Привет. Hi. Привет. Hi. Привет. English. What is your name? What is your name? Russian. Как вас зовут? Как вас зовут? Как вас зовут? English. How are you? How are you? Russian. Как дела? Как дела? How are you? Как дела? English. Where are you going? Where are you going? Russian. Куда ты идешь? Куда ты идешь? Where are you going? Куда ты идешь? English. Good morning. Good morning. Russian. Доброе утро. Доброе утро. Good morning. Доброе утро. English. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Russian. Добрый день. Добрый день. Good afternoon. Добрый день. English. Good evening. Good evening. Russian. Добрый вечер. Добрый вечер. Good afternoon. Good evening. Добрый вечер. English. Where are you from? Where are you from? Russian. Откуда ты? Откуда ты? Where are you from? Откуда ты? English. Thanks. Thanks. Russian. Спасибо. Or short спасибо. Thanks. Спасибо. Or short спасибо. English. Very thanks. Very thanks. Russian. Большое спасибо. Большое спасибо. Or большое спасибо. Большое спасибо. English. Sorry. 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 Russian. Извини. Извини. Sorry. Извини. Sorry. Извини. English. Welcome. Welcome. Russian. Пожалуйста. Пожалуйста. English. Welcome. Russian. Пожалуйста. Пожалуйста. So, if you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Let me know in the comment. So, please like my video and subscribe my channel. I will discuss it better in the next video, inshallah. I will discuss in better so in the next video, and I will end here today by thanking everyone. Everyone thanks and best of luck. Okay, thank you.